Alrighty, DS diving. We're here at the Dancing Dolphin at the end of A dock. I think it was 31 at Ortega River Marina. And we're gonna do a quick comparison video. She's pretty fouled up, so I went ahead and cleaned the port side, and I cleaned 2 of the blades on the prop, and I'll just show you the difference between the dirty and the clean. See what we've been doing around here. I would show the clean side first. Now I'll show the dirty side. There you go. As you can see, pretty much a particle every 3 square inches or so. Beautiful day. Have a good one. Till next time.